So 10 years ago, we had home shield coating out here to paint our house, and we recently have sold our home, and we noticed some hail damage through the inspections and everything. So I got in contact with Home Shield, and they were out here and gave us the utmost respect in getting everything done. I was really amazed to work with them again, and Mike, the lead guy who I worked with, he was phenomenal, and they have matched our color almost to a T. You can't really even tell the difference from where they had to fix the hail damage and that, but I don't know what we would have done if they weren't such a quality company.
We're out here in Gurnee, Illinois, doing some repair work on a house that we did over 10 years ago. That was hit with some pretty bad hail, and it cracked some of the boards on the other side there. And we always get the question of, what do these houses look like after 5 years? What do they look like after 10 years? Well, here you go. This is exactly what home shield coating looks like after 10 years. It looks like we just walked off the job site.